All right, I'm getting ready to go under the trailer. It'll be my third time today, and I'm ready. I laid down a tarp. I've got my parts box, and I've been under there 3 times already. Probably not the last time. I dislike crawling under trailers because you always come up with fleas and ticks and nematodes, and there's spiders down there and cat poop. Oh, it's just lovely. And I'm gonna, after I finish my chore set, I'm gonna go take a bath at my house, shower, whatever. There's insulation there too. It always makes me itchy. So what I've got is a parts box. In the parts box, I've got the starting glue, primer, and the final glue, and I've got the pipe cutter, and beneath that I've got a pair of it's a pipe wrench for getting the lids off the pipe glue, which tends to seal itself shut. And I've also got a couple of pipe fittings. Those are about $1 a piece, but you gotta have them. The pipe fittings usually cost about as much as the entire batch of pipe. So let's crawl under. I'm stalling. You know it. All right, here we go. Ugh. Ugh. Grumble, grumble, complain, complain. This part always makes me insane. And push the parts box ahead because you'll not be able to find it with your foot. And now I get to play walrus. I'm gonna lay down on this, and on my back I'm gonna thumpa bumpa, thumpa bumpa, thumpa bumpa. Okay, thumpa bumpa. I'm going there. A bump bump, thump thump bump. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. And it's messy. There are 2 sets of pipes up there. One is the original, and that is the new set that I had an actual plumber put in. And so one of those, it's this one, is the hot water. And this is going to go and become the kitchen hot water. How do I know that that's the hot water? Because I turned the water heater on and ran the hot water way out there, and this pipe was warm. This pipe was cold. They're now both the same temperature. Whatever. My goal is to put the new pipe parallel, and we'll tee into the old pipe and elbow into that one. Let's see what happens. You know what? I'm 99% sure there's still water in that pipe, and I'm going to get hosed. That's just the way it is. So, put the phone off to the side, and I will tape it from a safe distance. We hope. Oh boy. Nematodes. Crap half buried in the sand. That's a branch that needs not be under here. All right. Are we ready? You're hiding in the parts box as far away as I can, and if that doesn't catch the action, too bad. Here we go. I'm gonna get hosed. Hey. It's hardly wet at all. That's wonderful. That's better than expected. Woohoo! Okay, now we have pieces parts. Sorry about the hand on. Huh. Oh, look. I separated the parts. This is a hot water hose, and I am going to put a T into that one. Okay? And then I'm going to add on to this one. So I'm going to need a little bit of this one to act as the join to the elbow. Let's see if I can do that without hurting anything. Is that going to be good? That'll be enough. Side one. Now I got goo on my hands. That's lovely. And side two. And in you get, and do not forget. That so that it fits. There. Okay. Trash goes in the box. Primer. I didn't get a drop in, did I? Wow. That's good. Goop. Got it good on that side, and it's inside that counts, so let's see what we can do. Lovely. Now then, come on guys, get acquainted. Lovely. All right. That's good. Well, that's ugly because it looks like snot hanging off, so let's just play with it. And that'll stay underneath the trailer and no one will ever see it. A little concerned about that joint. Worst case scenario, I have more pipe at that end. Cut, 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 and that has plenty of slack, so I can replace this entire little section if that one doesn't cooperate. We'll find out. Give it an hour for the glue to set, and if it doesn't dribble, it's good for life. All right, we're done. We walrus out of here. Important detail. Take all tools with. Because you don't want to climb down under here. Again. Are we ready? Oh yeah, let's take the phone with.